A small number of G01 BMW X3 crossovers have been recalled in the United States. The local division of the brand discovered that these vehicles have defective rear cargo rails that may become damaged in a rear-end collision, leading to their detachment. This increases the risk of injury for rear seat passengers. BMW initiated an investigation into this issue at the end of September 2024 after receiving multiple reports from the US and other markets related to difficulties in repairs during a previous recall. The problem arose from bolts used to secure the rails being too short for certain vehicles, complicating the correction of the defect. As a result, the bolts attaching the rear rails to the X3 body will be replaced. This recall affects 8,725 vehicles produced between September 5, 2017 and September 19, 2022. All of these vehicles are part of the G01 series, the third generation of the X3, which ceased production in August 2024 to make way for the new G45 generation. Dealers have already received instructions for replacing all suspect bolts, and vehicle owners will be notified by mail starting December 6, 2024.